think your bike is rideable today, but oh, that is definitely not stable. I found a beetle. This is like huge. Like this is huge. Oh, that was wind. Like this thing is freaking huge. What the flub? For like 5-7 minutes, Finny got his skateboard because his bike chain broke. My
whole bike broke.
His whole bike broke, and we now got Capri Suns because that's what cool kids do. As you can tell, there's a very cool kid on a skateboard, and then there's Goomer on a skateboard. So, yeah, let's just do this. So what are we gonna be doing today?
A bike vlog without bikes.
That sounds about right. Yeah, my bike got too small, so I'm using a scooter.
I'm using a skateboard because my bike broke.
Yeah,
as you could see.
Yeah, and his bike broke, as you can see. I don't think your bike is rideable today, but do it again.
Okay.
Oh, you're cool. Like that kid on the oh.
Yeah, I'm so
Yeah. You're just like that kid on the Capri Sun. What happened there, bud? Oh, you're so cool. Oh, look at that car.
cool.
Is there anybody that lives there?
Yeah.
Really? I didn't actually. What? As you can tell, you can clearly do that. What did you want to do?
Oh, what?
What did you say you wanted to do to that car?
Photo shoot.
Want to do a photo shoot? That's what you want to do? All right. Wait, do you want to?
I don't know who lives there.
I don't either, but they're really grouchy, but let's do it anyway.
Today we're gonna be reviewing random.
What are these? Wait, hold up. Let me smell this. That smells disgusting.
Here, I'll smell it for you.
Oh. Does that smell good?
No.
Oh, okay.
Alright, we're not fixing that. I'll probably get like one.
Oh, yeah, you probably will. Where's the plane? Where is it? Oh, we can't find the plane. Oh, there it is. Just a neighborhood where you just, hang your stroller on a tree. You're good at this, aren't you? The trick shotting area. Oh, trick shot right there. Bro, this is like a big machine here. I can like get up in it. Holy. Oh, I feel like I'm cool now. Finny? Hi. Bro, I feel like I'm cool now. You know, the shifters and stuff. Oh, look at this. We even got bonuses. We got some Oh, we got some Doritos. Okay, I'm out. Oh. That was...
It's for all my fans. I know you like them.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, basically my only supporter of actual good content on this channel. What are you doing? Go away. Oh, there's a car there. Okay.
They're on their phone, don't worry.
Text and drive.
It's
Yeah, speakerphone, lady. I'm okay. I didn't literally just die.
Is that you're like...
Okay. What do you want to do? What else do you want to do before we... Before we end the video?
No.
What are you trying to do?
Trying to shimmy you.
Wow, I see how it is. I see how it is. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Like, what do you want to like actually do before we end off the video?
Okay, so sorry, it's hard to Stay in one spot. We should do a montage, trick shot montage.
Really?
Yeah.
It's hard to do trick shots on a scooter.
I can do those for you.
What are you doing?
Chicks. I was doing trick shots.
That was real trick shot, bruh. And those people in those car was smiling. I can skip rocks. Holy, I thought you were gonna hit me.
Mine skipped better.
But mine went in that grass, like right over there.
Watch this.
That's pretty far away. Going. Did you know there used to be actually a bunch of brush in here? Yeah, and then they cut it down.
That was the Great Wall of Curb.
And that's a caution tape. Watch out, I'm like tailgating. Where are you going? Oh, shoot. Move, watch out. Woo!
I'm gonna follow you.
What are you doing back there, bud? Oh my gosh. Oh. What you doing there, bud? Oh my gosh. Ah! Bye-bye. Oh. Okay. Okay, guys, this is going to be the end of this video, and we'll see you guys later until the next video. Bye-bye.